Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I am going to talk about new perfumes that I have purchased and this is a perfume haul. So let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. I'm going to start off with the very first fragrance, which is my cult favorite. It is one of my signature scents and I can't get enough of it. Like 15-20 bottles I have like gone through this one. This one is from Remy Marquis and this is called as a Chalice. Now it comes in this tin box and this is how the perfume is sitting inside, and you can see the dent has already started. Like the dent is denting here. I do not think before applying this fragrance. Like this is my go-to. This is my signature scent, one of my signature scents. This is my go-to. Been using this from years and years now, and I'm never ever going to not repurchase this one. You know, this fragrance I don't get bored of. It is just the perfect balanced fragrance that I need. This one has a very strong note of lavender with rose. Now people are like realizing the value of lavender in their fragrances, but I'm using this since years now, so I have a good taste in perfumes basically. I like smelling rich all the time. Chalice has that. Very nostalgic. I'm very emotional when it comes to this perfume. It reminds me of good old college days. Life was very uncomplicated, living with parents, a very happy life where my mom dad were both present and available. And now that I don't have my dad, all those memories, they just come gushing at any point of time. Any perfume, anything, big or small, any moment that just reminds me of him and our time together as a family, it just takes me to that era, and Chalice is a part of that era. So I'm never going to let go of this one. It always be in my collection, always be my signature scent. It is worth every penny. If you have not gotten your hands on Remy Marquis Chalice and you are into floral fragrances, you are missing out on a beautiful fragrance, let me tell you that. This is such an all-rounder fragrance. It just goes all year around. You can wear it up in occasions like shadi party, birthdays. You can wear it down to make it an office perfume. Just control the number of sprays and you're sorted. This is one of my favorite fragrances for sure. Moving on to the next fragrance. This one is from Plum Goodness. This is also a repurchase. Now in my review, I had not given a very positive review to this fragrance because this is Smokin' Vanilla, by the way. Smokin' Vanilla from Plum Goodness, and to my nose this was like a floral vanilla. Like even till date I don't feel that this is like a very smoky vanilla. I still find this to be a floral vanilla, but I don't mind a floral vanilla is the only change that has happened. So this is how the bottle looks like. I like the way that they have made changes in their packaging. The latest packaging quite reflects a good color, like a nice brown juice. The bottle does have ombre effect going on, but I really like the color combination that they've made this now. This has honeysuckle and woody notes in the top, heart notes of vanilla and balsam, and amber and musk. So like I said, the honeysuckle and mixed with all of the other notes does make it like a floral vanilla. I don't find this to be very smoky. Okay, it's a good everyday fragrance for me, and I wear it during daytime. वो स्मोकी नाम सुनते ही साथ लोगों को लगने लगता है कि ये तो एकदम हैवी स्मोकी वेनिलिक फ्रेग्रेंस होगा, बहुत स्वीट होगा, जो आप सिर्फ रात को यूज़ कर सकते हो. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. दिस इज सो गुड टू बी वोन ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम, and I love this one. I've emptied one bottle, I've emptied one chota bottle also, and finally I just went ahead and got myself a new bottle. Love the packaging, the changes that they've done, and I really appreciate this fragrance now. My opinions have changed about this fragrance. Yeah, it performs still the same. You get around 3 to 4 hours max. You have to refresh it every now and then, but I like the wisp that I get. Throughout the day there is a nice wisp of this fragrance, so I like that about it. And I have a Zara fragrance to share with you guys. It's been so long that I have shopped at Zara, and the other day I went to the mall and I just stepped into Zara, and I was just exploring what fragrances they have there, and this one caught my attention. This is Hypnotic Vanilla Bloom, and This is priced for 2,450 rupees, and this one just caught my attention. And yeah, it is similar to Hypnotic Poison by Dior, and that was the reason that I really wanted that, because that is my favorite DNA to wear. A sexy, dark fragrance that you cannot go wrong with. And if I show you the dent, you'll probably faint. I have put a dent till here, like till here I've already reached. And it's not been more than a month that I had this one, but I go ham with it. Like, I take it to my office, I take it to my evening meetings, meeting friends. I wear it everywhere. Basically, I love this fragrance. It's a very strong perfume. I really, really appreciate this DNA. Like, Dior Hypnotic Poison is one of my favorite DNAs to wear. A dark, sexy, sultry, sweet, thick, syrupy kind of a perfume with hints of Play-Doh in it. Absolutely love it. It has some syntheticness to it, but I don't mind that syntheticness. I love this fragrance. Last three, I have perfumes from Studio West. This one is Cake Addiction, and this is priced for almost 600 rupees. And I just saw the name Cake Addiction, and I did not even test the tester that they had there. I was like, I want it because cake, good morning, I'm going to love it. So I got it, and no, nothing like a cake. Nothing like a cake. In fact, the green notes in this are so prominent. It smells so soapy that this is like a clean girl vibe perfume, This is meant to smell like a cleaning product. This is not cake. This is not at all cake. This is so disappointing. So I bought it, I got it, I started using it, and then I was like, okay, what the hell is this? Like, this is not how cake smells. Very soapy, very clean girl. Reminded me of that Himalaya Neem soap bar. It just has this feel to it. I don't think I will be reviewing this specific variant on my channel separately because I don't have much good things to say about it. Yeah, I wore it now and I'm not feeling well about it. Like, no, this is not my jam. This is not my vibe. I don't like this one. Very green. It does not have that sweet vanillic bakery feel to it at all. मतलब क्या सोच रहे थे केक एडिक्शन नाम देके कितना ग्रीन फ्रेग्रेंस है. So disappointing. So let's move on to the better fragrance that I want to talk about. This is Gardenia Musk. This is gifted to me by my friend, and I'm like super excited to be talking about this one. First of all, the moment he gifted me this, I was like, yeah, you didn't have to. But after I experienced this, I was like, thank you for getting me this, because if I would have gone to Studio Westside, I probably would not have picked this one because it does not come natural for me to pick a floral. It comes more natural for me to pick a cake addiction kind of a fragrance. But he got me this one because he felt that this was similar to Victoria's Secret Passion. And to some extent, I do see the similarity. But this in its own is so good. Like, it's very fresh. It's very refreshing. It's a perfect spring weather fragrance. For summers and spring, I am going to put this to good use. Such a perfect office wear. I love the bottle. So simple, so beautiful, so classy. I see myself using this one a lot. I am sorted for this summer. I have some great spring and summer fragrances with me, and I'm definitely sorted. Like, I love this one. The last perfume that I'll be talking about is again this one from Westside, and this is what the perfume is. It's called as 003, and 003 Women Eau de Parfum. And this perfume, see the dent here, like it's such a tiny, such a cute perfume, priced only for 200, I think. Yeah, it's 25 ml, and this one has blackcurrant, red fruits, rhubarb, jasmine sambac, vanilla, and caramel. And to my nose, this one is very similar to Valentina Donna Born in Roma fragrance. And what a dupe. Like, I'm obsessed with this one. Again, like I said, for spring, summers, I'm just sorted with my fragrances. This will be a repurchase for me for sure. In fact, the next time I go to Westside, I'm definitely going to pick this one, like pick a backup of this one. It's so nice, it's so refreshing, so beautiful, such a gorgeous floral fragrance with hints of sweetness to it. Fruity floral category, but a different one. Like, I don't have anything in my collection which kind of smells similar to this. Very classy, very elegant, very put together, richy rich feel. Yes, you get all of this with just this perfume, which is priced for like what, 200 rupees. Well, that completes today's haul. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.